we are going to start our project that we have made for last 3 days or last 5 days. So I'm going to tell you the how it work. So I'm just opening the terminal in my laptop, so from where we will run the project and tell you the things that we have done and achieve. So this is our terminal. So we will first go to the path of the project which we have saved in the document. Here is our project. So first we have to give the path of the project from typing a cd. Now we will drag and drop the path. So now we will hit it, and now we will give uh, now we will run the project from which we have created a file in the system, so in which we will do how to run, and we have make a single file to run the project in it. So we will drag and drop this in the terminal. Now we will see how our server and the backend will show and in the project. So now we have it gives us 3 windows. This is our front end, and now firstly I will give you a check of how it's work behind it. Now these are the servers that we have currently running behind it, and this is our front end server, and this is our backend server, and this is our Ollama which we have used to run and as a local server, as like a chat GPT. So these are the servers that you can see which we have used, and these will help to us how to get the data, and this will be guided. Now we will upload a document in this which we have usually used to rate mapping in our system. So currently we will choose the file from our desktop. These are our agreements which we have saved in our so first we have to choose the file and open it. Now we will hit on the upload button. Now it locally hit to the LLaMA server which we have used. Now we can check in the backend that how the LLaMA is working and all the server is going on. You can see it hit the API in the backend, and you can see, yeah, you can see right now this is all going on. Yeah, we got the first response of the API from here. The data has been fetched to the API. Now it will give us with a JSON form. It's which we used in the second API. Now we have to wait some time for this because it is working on local server. We will do it for more faster if we use any paid subscription of any paid OI API server. Now we will check from in our front end. Now you can see the request which we got from the LLaMA server, Ollama, which we have used. Now you can see the front end that we have used to do the L1 duty of our team. This is the L1 duty of rate mapping which we are using currently. So we will not do this by manually. It will be done automatically and fetch from the agreement. So for example, I will tell you the thing which we are doing in the agreement. So we will see the agreement. Where is it? Yeah, these are the agreement which we have used. This is the agreement. So we will start from the first. The first duty is us that we have to check the name of the agreement, registered agreement. So this is the name of a registered firm which we are using, so it automatically fetch the data from there in the agreement. And we have to check two more things. It means L1 duty check the two more points, the grievance policy is available or not, and the rolling reserve is applicable or not. So it automatically fetch the grievance policy that is available in the agreement. You can also see here. Yeah, yeah, I will tell you where is the grievance policy. It's a 7.2 point number. So you can see here there is a grievance policy as well in the policy in the agreement. So that is why the trigger button is on right now. If we don't have a grievance policy, then we can off by the checkers end. So now we will check the rolling reserve to get this, because we have to check the data is right or not in the agreement. So we will get it from as you can see here that the rolling reserve is not applicable right now. That is why we the agreement the thing which we are getting is no. That is why it's no. Now the main thing that we have fetched from the agreement and the work which is going to easy by this, that is manage rates that we are fetching automatically from the server. That is a very big point. That you can see the rates are already fetched by the server from the backend. So you can see. Now I will tell you the correct things from the agreement. Yeah, you can see here the DC charges are 1.2 and the CC charges are 2. So we will check from in the front end. As you can see, credit card charges are 2. That is very good. We have successfully achieved this. And the debit card charges are 1.5. That is also right. And the commercial cards are also 3% here. That you can see here as well. And now I will tell you the UPI charges. The UPI charges are nil in the system that the agreement fetch from the agreement. And you can see the nil charges as well here. And now you can see the UPI and RuPay commercial charges, convenience charges are also here. So it is also successfully fetched that as well. That you can see 0.3 and 4. That is also correct from that. Now I will tell you the thing that why we are doing this to achieve this. We can remove the two duties of our currently we are doing manually, and this will help to automate these things. There are two duties, L1 and L2 are currently working on this, but by the help of this we can achieve easily, and only the L3 duties will be applicable. Now you can also save this, and we can check with the another agreement as well, agreement 3 which we have already here. Now again we will hit it again, and it goes with the server that you can see again in the backend, and then it will go on the Ollama server. Wait a while, we have to wait because we are not using a pro version of Ollama of API. That is why we are using only a local server. Now you can see the host in the backend and as well in the Ollama server. API has been hit. Yeah, we have using a two prompt in it. First API has been hit, and now we can see the second also as also done. So we will go back in the front end. Now you can see one point merchant name has been automatically fetched, and the grievance policy is also there in the agreement. But in the rolling reserve we got some notification that it is not successfully verified from the agreement. Now we will check the agreement to for better understanding. So we have to check only the rolling reserve part because it is not applicable in the front end that we are using. It it is so basically we are, it is because of that the prompt is not clear in this, so we will not get the proper data right now. So we can also do this by the manually, because value not verified as per the agreement, that is why this is not happen. So we can also do this by the manually uh, check button, and it's a duty of checker as well, so he can check this and do it manually. Now we will proceed the rates which we have done. So kindly check, we can also check this. Yeah, you can see all the rates are 3%, and the convenience charge is 0.6 and 10, you can see. So you can see here all the charges are right, which we are using 3 in all the modes, and the fixed charges, the convenience charges are 0.6 and 10. So this is our main and main achievement, that we are doing this. Then we can fetch the correct data from the OCR by the help of our server. So this we can applicable in our future project as well. So thank you. Now we will submit the data, and it has been successfully submit. Thank you.